Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the controller disconnected issue with your steering wheel in Forza Horizon 6. So first of all, before trying anything complicated, make sure your steering wheel is properly connected to your PC. You can also try unplugging the USB cable, then plugging it back in again. Sometimes that alone fixes the problem. You should also make sure that your steering wheel software is updated. For example, if you are using a Logitech wheel, open Logitech G Hub and check if there are any firmware updates available. Now another very simple fix that works for many people is pressing Windows plus G on your keyboard. This will open the Xbox game bar. Once it opens, simply left click with your mouse only one time. Just click once and after that do not touch your mouse or keyboard anymore. After doing this, your steering wheel may start working properly again and the controller disconnected issue could disappear. You can also try restarting the game completely or reconnecting the wheel before launching the game again, because sometimes the game just fails to detect the wheel correctly on startup. And finally, if you have multiple controllers or input devices connected, try disconnecting the ones you are not using, because sometimes they can interfere with the steering wheel detection. It is a very simple set of fixes, but apparently these methods are working for a lot of players, so they are definitely worth trying. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.